Good morning, guys. So I started trying to clean up out here. I got a bunch of crap out of here. I just picked up all this wood, 7 sheets of OSB, and I'm working on framing this in. So I ripped out this wall. I've been off the car game a little bit, more so focused on getting a spot to wrench this winter when it's cold. The shop is going right there. This room has been the main trash room of just us keeping a bunch of crap that we don't actually need. It's just everything that we might need gets thrown in this room. So I cleared 2 trailer loads of trash out of there, ripped down this wall. This wall's coming out. The temperature dropped here in New Mexico quite a bit, and I'm worried that I need to get a slab poured before it gets too cold. But once the slab's curing, I'll have plenty of time to finish the Lexus. So I just want to get this all sorted out. Bit off topic, but very necessary to get set up before winter so I can continue to work throughout the winter. This is what it was made out of before, and you can just see right through it. That's not straight at all. No. That's how you cut a really jagged line. Cut it down flush, so I'm gonna cap that with pressure treated, form a bunch of studs up. Got a little close to the edge on that one. So I got the bottom nailers in, and I got them fit pretty tight in here. And yes, you might think it's crazy sideways. That's where I want the OSB to run. Onto the jigsaw. Sound a little better?
Yeah.
I'm happy with that fitment right there. Not quite. That white wall pitch is crazy like that. Got a board out. Nice. Fits. Just need to trim that top one back. GoPro died for a bit, but we got progress. All the studs are up on the far wall. I got to build out the corner still. My pops is cutting the header piece right here, this top piece for this one. And this corner will be pretty much ready for sheeting. Dude, I fucking suck at nailing. All right, I'm gonna call it a night since it's getting dark and it's getting late. Back one's framed in, this is framed in. Tomorrow all that comes out and the window is gonna have to be framed. I honestly might just skip it and put studs in it for now and try to figure it out later. So I'll see you guys in the morning. I went to Home Depot, got some more stuff, got some more nails. Just got out here. I think my dad's already working on it. What you doing? Pulling the window down?
Yeah, taking this window out.
So yeah, this is the wall that has to come down right now. And then we can continue framing out the rest of it. Let me go ahead and get this cleaned up. I was able to get a couple feet cleared back here. Now I have room to work. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these down and get my base plates laid. First cut sucked, but second one looks real good. This board's pretty loose. Solid. Dad went ahead and cut the bottom plate here and the top plate for up there, already laid out with where all the studs go. He probably did that since yesterday I proved I don't know how to lay stuff out. I forgot to take into account the pitch on the 16 apart. We'll just say this wall's not exactly square. 53. Really gotta get better at that whole aiming thing. Perfect.
Okay, those two go on that side of the joist.
Say when?
That's it.
I don't know if I missed. I think I missed. There it is, all framed in. I still got to do a top plate right here. And I don't think we're doing a window. I think we're just boarding this up.
See how that looks with the level. That's got it.
I was just gonna let the corner go all wonky and not care, but
Yep.
he says he's more professional than that.
Yep.
We're gonna sheet it with the OSB on this side, the long ways,
Yep.
to give it more support down here and something for the OSB to sit on. We're just gonna shoot a 2x4 in here. That piece is building out the corner perfectly. Now our sheeting should just cover everything. This stud right here seems a little loose. Mint. And that's it. It's time for sheeting.
Shoot it. Square up there.
The compressor was turned up a lot. Pretty much blasted straight through the material. So I turned it down like 50 psi.
All the way down to the...
Good.
25 1/4, right?
Correct, to 24.
This is the wide side, so this is the top.
Very exciting. Got the first sheets up. My dad's working on cutting out the tapers on this. I don't think he trusts me with math anymore after seeing what I did over here. That top corner piece wasn't taken into account.
To your right. A little more. Okay. And now will it bang in all the way up? Something's holding it out.
There we go.
Okay, one in.
Feels really good getting that back wall almost done. Tomorrow it's gonna be super easy just dropping our main sheet here. That's it, guys. I'm winded. We'll see you in the morning. Well, looks like Pop's already started. He's been cutting back there. He got this corner piece put on. Awesome. Off to a good start. Just gonna get right into it and sheet this wall. We're on the last piece of OSB, but we only need that corner, and all these top pieces.
Now I gotta lift up on this end. I wonder if we... Okay.
Got the siding up, guys. It's so exciting, it's time for a luxury meal. We just got back from lunch and determined that I didn't actually think I'd get this far. Now that I did get this far and this is all done, I have to finish the interior wall and finish the exterior wall. It was supposed to be a real quick, simple, slap it together, and apparently I didn't really think that far ahead. But that's kind of why I have like a field of half-finished projects. So let me start with finishing this wall up. Thanks for joining us on this random shop building build. I got bored of driving the truck and now I'm back to dailying the RB25. So I'm, you know, finally feeling better about being in small cars post crash. Look forward to seeing this more. Look forward to me getting that thing done. Good night, guys.